Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add tags to Shopify product page. So if you also want to add tags to Shopify product page, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in admin.shopify.com, and then you'll be led to the official website of Shopify admin. At left, you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is click on the products option that you can see at the third. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the products interface. Here you'll be able to view all the products. Now simply click on the product in which you want to add the tag. Now you can see over here that particular product will be opened. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the section for tags. All you have to do is click on it. Now simply add the tags of your choice. You can see over here the tag will be added. Go ahead and add more tags. Now after you add the tag, all you have to do is click on the save option that you can see right over here. Now that tag will be added to your Shopify product page. So that is how you add tags to Shopify product page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.